Hello, everyone. Welcome to your radar. Today, we will learn how your technician can view his portal and start working in assigned work order. Let's begin. Once your technician log in to his technician portal, you will have these icons. Let's click Job and click Calendar to see every plotted schedule for him. For this demo, we have August 17th. Just click the number 17. Once your technician is on site and ready to start the job, all you have to do is just to click Start Timer. Start Timer represent your technician time is already recorded in the system. Once he click that, he will have this page, have the customer's information. Under select status, your technician has ability to select any job status after working on it. Or your technician can edit the time when he start the job and the time that he ends or finish the job. Let's scroll down. Instruction. This is the instruction came from our estimator. Under task and communication, this area or this field, your technician can send message to your manager or the owner itself. Order details. These are the parts or materials that has been added during the estimation and also the labor. Materials, parts, and list equipment. This area, your technician can add additional parts if it's not added in the order details. Let's assume that your technician figure out that he need additional parts that was not included in the work order. Your technician has an ability to add it in the system. Under materials, part list, and equipment, click that. Let's say that we need this kind of materials and we need two. Sub-material info, we can put NA for now, and also with this. Let's select furnace, hit furnace, and click installed. Once it's done adding it, just click save. So it will be added in the work order. Scroll down, technician notes. You can put any notes here, like example recommendation during the work order. For now, I will put job completed and click save. Under documents and photos, your technician has an ability to upload images here. Using his tablet, just click documents and photos, click choose file. Let's add one here. Okay, and don't forget to click upload image so it will be saved in the system. You will now see it right here. If everything looks good, scroll up. On the left side, your technicians can select the status. Let's say job completed. He can edit his time. Let's say 8 in the morning and he ended 11 in the morning. Click stop timer and the system will now save the work order as job completed. And that's how your technician can view and work to his technician portal. Thank you.